dear colleagues and my dear students, I extend a very warm welcome to Dr. S.P. Sharma to this August gathering.
I would like to mention that the golden era of world economy was 2004, 5, 6, 7 when the growth was more than 4% for many years, even more than 5% for many years. But thereafter, we observed only 4.5% GDP growth in 2010, and thereafter only more than 5% growth rate in 2021 after the 10 years. So all these years, starting from 2011 to 2019 or 2020, were below 4%, sometimes below 3%. So high growth trajectory only was in 2021. That was true on the basis of the statistical effect of minus growth in 2020.
We have a lower investment of approximately 1 crore, and I think.
Very good, excellent. क्या नाम है आपका?
Swati.
स्वाति. आपका background?
Finance.
Oh, very good. Very good thought about the Viksit Bharat. She rightly said the manufacturing. Why she said the manufacturing?